If your organization allows you to use a mobile device to prove your identity when signing into the portal, you'll need to set it up before you can use it. We'll install the Idaptive app and register the device at the same time. Make sure you have already set up some of the other identity factors your organization allows before you get started, because you'll need to prove your identity while registering the mobile device. Start in a browser on your computer by signing into your portal and open the Devices tab. You can select Add Devices, or the Add a Device window may show automatically. Your organization may not use all three of these enrollment options, but whichever option you choose for enrollment, you'll be prompted to download the appropriate app first. For any of the enrollment options, use the mobile device you want to register to open the link in the notification. Start by entering your mobile number for texting, entering an email you'll open on the mobile device, or by using a QR code scanning app to scan the QR code on the screen. Tap the link to open the enrollment page on your device. Tap Continue and open the link for either the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once you've downloaded and installed the Idaptive app, tap Open. Now you'll be asked to sign into your portal. Remember that these options vary depending on what your organization allows and on what you have previously set up. This step establishes trust with your device. You won't necessarily be prompted for MFA every time you open the Idaptive app on this device. Tap Enroll to register the device. Allowing the notifications makes it easy to use the device as a way to prove your identity by tapping a notification. The app also asks if it can allow Idaptive to access the device location. We recommend selecting Always Allow. The device location can help you find your device from a browser, similar to Find My iPad. Now tap the notification to finish enrolling the device. This device has now become a mobile authenticator, and we can see some information about it on the Devices tab of our portal. The mobile authenticator is an easy way to securely access your portal in the future. Make sure to check out the videos on signing in.